Hi, so last time I showed you how to duplicate stuff, it was with a dragon egg and anvils. Now, anvils wasn't too bad, but if you lose the dragon egg, you lose it for the entire world. And for some reason, that method was a lot more risky than I thought. But this one that I'm going to show you today has zero risk. And here's how you can duplicate any item in Minecraft. So what we're going to be doing is just getting a crafting table and just placing it down here. And then I'm just going to quickly exit the game and save. This is going to, well, save the game. And we're going to go back in immediately, and pretty much as fast as possible I'm just going to put everything that I want to duplicate in here like this. We can even duplicate some of these rockets and an ender chest, and then I'm just going to alt tab and bring up my task manager, and then just right click on this Java process right here and click end task. That's essentially going to crash my game, and we're going to have to start it up again. Okay, so now that it started back up, I'm just going to go back into the same world that I did the glitch in. And there we go. As you can see on the floor right there, we have a copy of everything that was inside of that crafting table. And I'm just going to pick it up, and we can see that I've got 6 of these netherite ingots. Now, I'm just going to do this one more time just to see how much we can go, and perhaps we can craft netherite tools so we can duplicate those. But it is kind of important to note that this will not work every time. In my experience, it's got a 50% success rate. So as I said, it won't work every single time, but you don't lose your items if it doesn't work. So here again, I'm just going to alt tab and then right click on Java, end task, and start it back up again right there. Okay, so now let's go back into the world. We just duplicated it again, and we've got 12 netherite ingots. At this point, I could even craft a block. Let me see if I can get one of those smithing tables. Now, it's kind of important to note that for this glitch, you kind of want your computer to be running a bit slower than it usually does. For me, this isn't a problem because I'm already running OBS, as you can see, and it's using quite a lot of my resources. But for you, if you're only running Minecraft, what I would suggest doing is perhaps opening 12 tabs of Facebook or something like that on Google Chrome. That is definitely going to lag your computer, because the slower your computer is running, the glitch has a higher chance of actually working. So let's see if it worked now 3 times in a row. 50% chance. That's not really likely, but let's go for the best. And wow, there you go, it worked. So in a matter of seconds, we've actually gained what would take quite a lot of time to farm. And if you're playing single player and you're not comfortable with doing the glitch that I showed in my last video with the ender egg because you're afraid you might lose it, this is the perfect one for you. Let's even duplicate this block of netherite and yeah, some more armor. But first we need to exit the game. Yeah, it's definitely important to exit the game every time before you're about to do this, because it forces it to save. And that's essentially how this glitch is actually working. Because when you close the game automatically saves, and it first has to close you out of the crafting table screen, which makes you drop all your items, and then it drops them, but it also puts them back into your inventory and saves. And that's where the duplication happens. And then once again, we just did it again, and for some reason the block of netherite didn't duplicate. That's a bit weird, but either way, we got even more stuff. And at this point in the video, I would just like to thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions for other videos, I would be happy to take a look at them, so leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.